Alright guys, we are in room 127, which, ta-da, is on the first floor. What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you our room here at the Fairfield by Marriott. It's right across the street from Disneyland, and it only takes about 7 minutes to walk from the hotel lobby to the security line over at the parks. So Sean requested our room to be on the bottom floor. That way, once we're done at the parks, we can just quickly be back in our room. The room that we have is an accessible room, and let me show you around. So first things first, here is the front door. You'll notice that we have 2 peepholes, and you'll also notice that the security latch is at the bottom. So I just got done reading this magnet, and they have a really cool program. So if you decide to skip housekeeping, you can place this door hanger outside of your door by 2 a.m. and they will plant a tree in a national forest. However, if you prefer to receive 500 Marriott Bonvoy points instead, you will need to contact the front desk, and you can do so by dialing 0. I'm assuming the Marriott Bonvoy is kind of like a rewards program. Okay, so let me pan through the room, and then I will go into further detail about each area. All right, so you'll notice that the curtains have long handles because this is an accessible room. And then down below the window is also where we have our AC and heating unit. So we have a tall lamp, and then we have a nice little couch here, and then we actually have 2 end tables, and both end tables have 2 outlets on them, and then 2 switches for the lampshade. So right now I have my phone charging, and then there are 2 drawers. Here is our king size bed. It is very plush, very comfortable. And there are 4 nice large pillows on the bed. So the other nightstand also has its own lamp with some outlets, and then you'll also notice that this one has the alarm as well as a phone. All right, next up is the bathroom. So I don't think you can really tell from this video, but the door frame into the bathroom is wider since this is an accessible room. So here is the shower tub combo. And then we have our toilet, and here is the sink. So as far as toiletries go, we have some Paul Mitchell products in here, and we also have some shelving and some tissue. So right next to the sink area is kind of where like our closet area is. We've got some extra towels over there, an iron, a hairdryer, hangers, and also a luggage rack. We do have an ironing board. It is actually hiding right behind the bathroom door. So right next to the bathroom is where you can find the thermostat. Sorry guys, we already have some of our stuff already spread out in the room. But anyways, this is where the ice bucket is. You can also purchase these bottled waters for $4 each, or you can be like us and run to Target and spend 95 cents on 1 gallon of water. This is also where you'll find the coffee machine and also the coffee and tea products. Here's some information about the Fairfield by Marriott, and I'll leave it up here for a few more minutes. Just kidding, a few more seconds so you can read through it, or pause it so you can read. All right, so in this top drawer here is where you'll find the safe. It looks like you just need a 4-digit pin to activate it. And then down below here is where you'll find the mini fridge. Let me go ahead and open up the fridge. That way you can see what kind of space you're working with. Ta-da! All right, so over here is where we have our nice flat screen TV. I want to say this is probably like a 50-inch, maybe 55-inch, I'm not sure. And then we have 4 drawers, and we also have earplugs. You can contact the front desk if you need more earplugs so you can get a good night of sleep.
What's your total out of 10?
So here is the pool area. We've got a little jacuzzi and a swimming pool back that way. Alright you guys, so that was my room tour of an accessible room with a king-size bed. I do also want to give you a heads up that they do have Disney themed rooms here as well. Those are categorized premium, so I believe those also have like a theme park view, and maybe someday I'll be able to stay in one of those. That way I can give a video tour of them. They do have pictures on their website though. A couple more things that I want to talk about. First thing is Wi-Fi. So they do have two different Wi-Fi plans. They have one that is complimentary, that is good for emails and regular web browsing. And that's the one that we're using, and it's fine. It works great for us. And they also have a faster internet plan, which is best suited for streaming, and that one is $4.95 per day. And then the other thing that I wanted to talk about is parking. So parking is $24. I'm not sure if that includes the tax or not. We stayed next door at the courtyard and it was actually $29 with the tax. So anyways, here it's advertised as $24 and it includes valet or self-parking. So same price, $24, whether you choose to park your car yourself or if you allow valet to take it over. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, I invite you to do so now. I would be so honored if you joined our fam. And I hope to see you guys again real soon.